Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting controllers and the Switch ready. Charge both Joy-Con or Pro controllers and update the console. Once done, choose whether you want local 2-player on one console or 2 separate controllers acting as player 1 and 2. Next, detach Joy-Con if needed and check the home menu's controller's icon. Make sure Bluetooth is unobstructed and the console sits near the play area. This reduces pairing issues later and speeds the next steps. Now you actively pair and assign controllers. Go to Controllers, choose Change Grip/Order, then press SL and SR together on each Joy-Con or hit the Pro controller's sync button. The console will detect devices and show icons. Assign them by pressing any button when prompted. Once detected, make sure one controller is labeled Player 1 and the other Player 2. If a single game needs specific grip modes, adjust Joy-Con orientation in the list before exiting so controls map correctly within the game. Finish by testing controls and adjusting settings. Open controllers to test buttons and calibrate sticks for drift. This prevents in-game issues. Once tested, launch your multiplayer game and confirm control mapping. If players are swapped, use the game's controller settings or repeat Change Grip/Order to swap. If pairing or drift problems occur, restart the Switch, repair controllers, and ensure firmware is current. Make sure batteries are charged and there's no wireless interference. That single troubleshooting tip will solve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.